If you're not jumping on the CRM train, your startup, business, or enterprise might be missing out on some serious sales and falling behind the competition. Time to catch up and stay ahead. Picking the perfect CRM software? Now that's a challenge. And let's not forget about all the fabulous reviews is fine. We've taken care of all the difficult tasks for you. These platforms are like rocket fuel for your customer relationships, accelerating your sales processes, and pushing your business to the sky of success. Get ready for a wild ride as we dive into the unique qualities and perks of each CRM contender. Pipedrive. Pipedrive has a very clear and easy-to-use design, which makes it easy to keep track of and handle your sales flow. You can easily see how your sales process works and find problems with its drag-and-drop features and customizable steps. Its timeline view is a unique feature that lets you track the history of each deal, which can help you make better decisions. Pipedrive's advanced reports and data may require a more expensive plan, which is a disadvantage. But even with the basic version, Pipedrive still gives you a lot of tools to make your sales process run more smoothly. If you're all about sealing deals, Pipedrive is the perfect match for your sales team. With its snazzy graphical deal pipeline view and sleek UI, closing sales will be a breeze. Well, if you're looking for a boatload of customization and a plethora of third-party integrations, Pipedrive might not be your one-stop shop. It's got a bit less to offer in those departments compared to some of its competitors. But hey, nobody's perfect, right? Well, some might say that being direct is a real winner. Sales Flare. Sales Flare stands out because it works well with different contact tools like email and calendars. Its one-of-a-kind tool, Email Sync, automatically records and sorts customer contacts, so you don't have to enter data by hand. This saves you time and makes sure that the information you have about your customers is up to date and easy to find. Insightly. Insightly really knows how to pack a punch when it comes to giving you the most value for your CRM investment. Well, it may not have all the bells and whistles, but it's definitely a breeze to use compared to the other systems we tried. Importing data is as smooth as a freshly polished dance floor. Insightly's reporting engine is so smart, it's powered by AI. And guess what? It even has a fancy one-button feature that lets you export your data straight to Microsoft Power BI. How cool is that? Insightly is the perfect CRM for teams who want to avoid the dread, even if they're newbies in the CRM game. Who needs fancy visuals when you've got a straightforward UI that makes tasks a breeze? Well, if you're in the market for some email marketing or help desk capabilities, brace yourself because Insightly only offers these as separate, add-on products. So, keep that in mind, my friend. Less annoying. Because it's the best, obviously. This software is all about keeping its customers happy, or at least annoying them less than the competition. But you know what really stands out? The price. It's one of the lowest we've seen among all the products. You're blessed with quite the feature set. Small businesses won't be able to resist giving you their undivided attention. With this CRM, you'll get all the contact management and business process features you'd expect from a big-shot vendor, but without breaking the bank. And hopefully, their simple interface won't drive you crazy. Zendesk Sell. Zendesk started off as a humble help desk software but then decided to spread its wings and dive into the exciting world of CRM. This CRM is quite the buddy with Zendesk for Service. It's all about that tight integration, you know? And let me tell you, its features are all about catering to those help desks. This one really knows how to please the support teams. Well, if you're already part of the Zendesk family, then this CRM is likely right up your alley. Oh, and definitely give it a try if you're all about that help desk life. Well, if you're all about that marketing automation life and don't really need any hand-holding, then it might be time to explore other options. Freshsales. Freshsales is a good CRM for small and medium-sized businesses that are just starting out. Compared to other CRMs, it doesn't have as many features, but it has been getting better at integrating with other business software like calendars, email marketing software and tools like DocuSign. Check out Freshsales if you want a CRM that works well but doesn't have too many features to confuse your sales team. This is especially true if you already use some of the software that Freshsales integrates with. Its simple design should make it easy for your team to get up to speed and start making deals, which they will appreciate. HubSpot. HubSpot is a combination tool that blends marketing, customer relationship management, CRM, and a help desk. This might make it more appealing to some businesses than other, standalone options, even though it doesn't have quite as many CRM features. It is also great at getting teams up and running quickly, usually in just a couple of weeks. HubSpot could be a good choice if you're just getting started with CRM and want marketing and customer service tools to go with it. Because it works as a whole, your teams won't have to switch between different tools. Just make sure you have enough money, because HubSpot costs a lot. Salesforce. Salesforce is still the industry leader in CRM even if newer, smaller companies have emerged as rivals. Salesforce possibly has all of the features you could want in a CRM. Also, its prices are set up in steps so that even small businesses can afford the basic Salesforce Essentials package. Unless Salesforce delivers more than you need, it's hard to go wrong with Salesforce. But if your goals aren't quite that big, you might want to look into some other options that could help you get started faster and cost less. Monday.com. Monday.com stands out because its design is easy to use and looks good. This makes it easy to handle projects and keep track of tasks. Its unique feature, Board View, lets you see your projects using columns and cards that you can customize. This gives you a clear picture of how your team is doing. This makes it easier to see what's going on, to work together, and to handle the flow of work well. Monday.com can be a bit more expensive than other CRM systems, which is one of its disadvantages. But it is a great choice for teams that want to improve their processes because of how well it handles projects and how easy it is to use. Zoho CRM. Zoho CRM stands out because it has a lot of ways to customize it, so you can make it fit your business needs. It has a unique feature called Blueprint, which lets you set up automatic routines for your own sales processes. This makes your sales process more efficient and makes sure everyone on your team works the same way. One problem with Zoho CRM is that its user interface can be confusing and take some time to get used to for new users. But once you get past the learning curve, Zoho CRM gives you a powerful set of tools to improve your ties with your customers. Each platform brings unique features and advantages to the table, empowering you to supercharge your customer relationships and streamline your sales processes. So, choose your CRM champion wisely, harness the power of these platforms, and watch as your business reaches new heights. We hope you enjoyed this thrilling CRM smackdown. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with your fellow entrepreneurs. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content that will help your business thrive. Until next time, keep exploring, keep growing, and let the power of CRM software elevate your small business to greatness.